one, the thing we always have to remember is that capital punishment in Pennsylvania only follows a conviction for first-degree murder, and then only follows a finding of aggravating circumstances that outweigh mitigating circumstances beyond a reasonable doubt. If you read crime fiction, if you read the books based in California, they talk about special circumstances. First-degree murder is specials. So in Pennsylvania, this is not just first-degree murder, this is first-degree murder with aggravating or special circumstances, things that make it a worse first-degree murder than other first-degree murders. In Cumberland County, we currently have 4 people under a death sentence. One who murdered police officer Willis Coleman in Cumberland in broad daylight in front of eyewitnesses. One who strangled a teenage girl. One who came from Washington, D.C. and shot his estranged girlfriend who survived, shot her new boyfriend in the head, killing him. And Mark Spots, a serial killer, left 4 bodies in his wake who killed Sister Betty Amstutz in Cumberland County. There is no doubt, none, that any of those people are guilty. There is no doubt that any of them deserve the penalty that they've been given. Governor Wolf, who doesn't like the law, decided to take it into his own hands today. But we're going to stand up against it. Process, tortured legal process that they're using, was indicated in the statement this morning, is that he intends to grant a reprieve for every case that gets to the level. He knows that he can't stop it under the law other than this interpretation of a reprieve. And that's going to have to be fought out in court. But the way this system works is not that you get elected governor and you get to decide which laws you like and which laws you don't. The legislature makes the laws. We in the executive branch enforce the laws. The law is what is on the books. The legal precedent is strong and sound, lengthy and repeated, that these laws pass constitutional muster. It's offensive to victims that this was done without engagement of victims' groups. It was done without engagement of prosecutors. That's not a surprise to us. This is not a surprise to us that this happened. It's a surprise that it happened this quickly, and it's a surprise that it happened after ignoring a lengthy letter that we sent to the governor asking to meet with him on this issue. But what we do as prosecutors is we litigate and we fight for justice and we fight for what we think is right. And we will fight this battle because we believe that we're right. We're going to fight this battle. I'm going to fight this battle in Cumberland County on behalf of Leslie White, Will Cole, Sister Betty Amstutz, and Rashawn Bass, whose killers are all in jail facing death and a penalty that should be carried out. If Eddie wants to add anything, we'll be happy to take some questions.